Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. It's September 28th, 2025, about 6:50 in the morning. Got the Tahoe warming up. Doc's will be showing up here pretty quick to hook his trailer up. And we'll be convoying to Moses Lake to go play in the sand dunes with our Jeeps. So I'm down here a little early to feed. Well, animals are taken care of. It's a little cold out here. It's 48 degrees right now. I'm hoping it stays warm today in Moses Lake. I'm going topless and doorless. So anyway, I gotta get a move on it. I'll catch you later.